Hello, everyone. Welcome to this short lesson about powers of powers. Let's begin. Powers of powers are exactly what they sound like. They're a base raised to a power, which is then raised to another power. Don't freak out. It's not as difficult as it seems. When a power is raised to another power, all you have to do is multiply the two powers together. So that means, to simplify, y raised to the fourth raised to the third power, all you have to do is multiply 3 times 4, which gives you y to the 12th. And you're done. Now that wasn't so bad, was it? Let's try another example. Let's say that you have a base, 3, raised to the second power, which is then raised to the third power. Now all you have to do is rewrite the problem as 3 raised to the 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is, of course, 6. Now, all you have to do is calculate 3 to the 6th power, which gives you 729. And that's it. You're done. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.